Walking is something we do all day long, and that's why we need a mobility tool that goes everywhere. In this instance, the push toy does not go everywhere, but the belt cane, yes, it does. We also need one that's safe for drop-offs, and this big wooden thing is not going to be safe around drop-offs. It will detect obstacles, but also so will the belt cane. And the belt cane is lightweight. The wooden push toy has 4 legs with rubber soles, making it difficult to push, and the therapist pulls the wooden push toy, so it's not being used independently, whereas the belt cane is. Next, we see her using a laundry basket. And in the checklist, we could say, can you use a laundry basket everywhere as a mobility tool? And that's a no. Is it safe for drop-offs? No. The belt cane can be used everywhere, and it's safe for drop-offs. They both will detect obstacles, and they're both relatively lightweight. Tool checklist is it something that the child can use everywhere where they want to be? And that's a belt cane.
Yeah, I definitely think the outside one in here works so much better. She just has like 1,000% more confidence when she puts it on. She's just like, get up and go. Lisa?
To learn more, go to safetoddles.org.